Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna tell about my biggest mistake while dealing with controlling parents. So my biggest mistake while dealing with controlling parents was that I always wanted them to understand my feelings, my desires, my dreams and goals. I always tried to make them understand. I tried to talk with them, I argued with them, everything. I just tried everything, but no matter how sweetly I talk to them, how calmly I talk to them, they will just not talk with me in that way. And at the end of the day, they will just hurt me emotionally. And yeah, so I realized that I have to stop doing that, and you have to also stop doing that if you are doing that, because that is the biggest problem. We always want them to understand. We always want, even if we don't say that, yeah, we want our parents to understand us, deep inside our heart we really want them to understand us. So that expectation, we have to just leave that expectation, because that is never gonna happen. They will never understand. Yeah, some parents understand, but that type of controlling parents will never understand. So I'm trying to overcome this issue, and you should also try. I am trying my best not to try to make them understand, and not to argue with them, not to waste my energy because of them. I have stopped wasting my energy because of them or for them, and you should do that too. I thought of sharing this because this is the biggest problem with everyone. They try to make them understand, they try to reason out, they try to explain them, they really try to talk to them about their dreams and desires, which is not at all the right thing to do with highly controlling parents. You can do everything yourself. The thing is, you have to have that passionate energy. If you want to do something in your life, if you have that courage to do that, you can do that without anyone's support. I don't have anyone's support, but I'm still doing YouTube videos, I'm still making YouTube videos. I don't know when I will succeed, even if I will ever get fame or not, but I'm still trying. And everyone should try. If we try, we will surely succeed. And we don't need anyone else to support us. We are our best friend, and we can support ourselves. Thank you for watching.